Hi guys! Welcome back to the Gabby Show. Today we're going to be playing dentist. Okay, let's begin. Remember that the doctor has a mask. Don't be scared. They have to wear it for their protection. So let's get right into it. Today we're going to be playing with our dentist kit and we're going to be doing a cleaning on this mouth. Let's take our mirror and tool to check the teeth. Looks great. Now I'll take this drill and just clean the plaque off the teeth. Perfect, it's all clean. Now I'm gonna take this piece and brush the teeth really good with this tool. Do you hear that noise? Sometimes that noise can sound scary, but it's just a tool to keep your mouth really clean and healthy. Now we're going to brush the teeth. I have my toothbrush here and my toothpaste. Let's brush their teeth. Up and down, side to side, side to side, round and round, round and round. Let's get those back molars. Molars are very important. You gotta keep them clean. The top. Okay. Up, down, up, down. Arriba, abajo. Arriba, abajo. Side to side, side to side. De lado a lado. De lado a lado. Round and round, round and round, círculos, círculos. And don't forget to brush your tongue. Brush your tongue. Cepilla la lengua. Cepilla la lengua. All done! That's a beautiful smile. Now we're going to floss. Flossing is very important. Remember to get in between the teeth. Floss. Floss. You go in. Right side, left side. In. Right side, left side. And you do that to the whole mouth. Great work! Let's put that to the side and let's do our mouthwash. Swish, 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 swish. Phew. Great job! This is a new patient. They have braces. Braces is something the doctor puts on so it can straighten your teeth. Today, this patient is going to get their braces off. Woohoo! Let's do it. Okay, let's pop this. Pop this. And off it goes. Yes! Let's clean off the teeth. Let's give them a quick brush. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Up, down, arriba, abajo, side to side, De lado a lado. Round and round. Círculos. And brush your tongue. Cepilla la lengua. Now we're going to give our patient a box with the retainers. A retainer is something you put on your teeth to keep them straight and to keep them protected. For the bottom and for the top. Nice and protected. Thank you for coming in today. Enjoy your straight teeth. Woohoo!
Gabby is the Gabby Show. Gabby is the Gabby Show. Let's go.